Ladies and gentlemen from all parts of Usi and outside, my name is Mangi Mangi. So now, in this episode of Culture Bank, I'm here just to remind everyone out there that we do have lots of books written about AKUC. Mtu amekuwa nikiniuliza, Mangi, unaomo sai, na ndo mwano mwete Nairobi, mwano tamani tibu AKUC biya. I think you can get it from my pronunciation of some words kwa manyango mwano yoiga, takini reti usi, korende. I'm here to answer that question. Where do you get them from? And that is why I'm here today. Nchina nabongo ikase nchake koresa na semiremiga korenda bantu mbaro bare honestly neki usota yepe kumanya. So now let us start with this. We have the AKUC dictionary Endabasia or Endabaro, written by Kennedy Mumanyi Bosire and Gladys Kwamboka Machogo. This is a very beautiful book. Endabasia or Sendabaro Yekigusi, the first edition of the book. Nigebwa the Endabaro Endabasia, Ebebayeno, Chimbatiro, Chinkwana Chomogusi, and Obogimabomogusi. In English, that's the AKUC English Dictionary, yani okori erigeta AKUC una okonyakoweka bwekeria. And then you get its equivalent in English. We have the English Index, the popular proverbs, idioms, sayings of AKUC, riddles, chimbatero, mbatero mbache, AKUC, the lives and times of the Omogusi, Obogima Womogusi, yani okoiborwa nogo kina, Kumogusi, and common phrases and expressions, yani chinkwana chimogusi nga obwato mwabo bwatu koboko wochaka. What is the meaning of that? Yeah, erinde twamanya buna manganare yekigusi from Endabasia or Sendabaro yekigusi. Another book that I read a lot is was John S. Akama from Kisii University. Orikere vitabu wange vitato virimanyite. I think that there may be more. We have the Gusii of Kenya, we have the Untold Story, and then we have the Limestone in Gusii. I think the title is something close to that. John S. Akama. Nige wanted the social, economic, cultural, political, and judicial perspectives of the Aba Gusii. Every time we Gusii, one every day we have, let me see, Emigano Yaito, Amatera Nemegano, Our Heritage by Pastor Joel Narangi. Yeah. So imagine, it's a Kenya preschool series book. For preschool children. And only those and imagine, so all this, there are other books. We have that outlines things as they happen from here to the next, several literature in AKUC. And I have a feeling like there's more that is coming because now people want to know more about their culture. Our roots, where do they originate from? So ganaki orenda basia manyeke usi ligere gitabe kiga kia John Akama manya omubusi montoki and our history ligere bitabe bisinini emegano yaito amatera nemegano our heritage ebitabu bieke usi. This is where we get knowledge. They say knowledge is power. Kuna tokona wasoma mangana anda isiko. In the next episode of Culture Bank, I think we will bring Nyangaresi back. Nyangaresi is coming back. He is organizing a Museum in a very big way. So please join me in the next join me in the next episode, and I'm so glad that you joined me in this one. So God bless you, and see you in the next episode. Actually, you're gonna see me. So if there's something you want to talk to JK, so just leave it in the comment section below. Yeah, and I will try my very best to bring it to understanding and fruition. So that is it for this episode. See you in the next one.